house in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like Popeye.
Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to Nizzy's Playhouse. And alright, if you're not doing so already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I do have a separate video up on this hair. Let me know what you guys think about my new color. I know y'all like, ooh girl, because I am. But I have a video up, I'll leave it up there, on how I got this color. This is the Queen J royalty hair. It is 24 inches of Brazilian body wave with the frontal. So girl, it's a unit that I customized it. So yeah girl, you know I'm feeling this thing for real. So today I wanted to touch base on, you know what the deal is. You know, I already know what it is. I wanted to go over my honest review on which one of these things is better. Girl. So let's jump right in. Y'all know what the GOT2B glue is for. It's a lot of things that it can be used for. Mainly the number one thing that you see it used for is, you know, gluing your lace down. Or not, let me see, that's the thing about it. You can't say glue because it's not glue, it's gel. Even though it says got to be glued, it's not glue. But anyways, it helps you glue your frontal down. And then also it can be used to swoop like your actual natural baby hairs. It can be used to like do anything, like it's gel. It's gel, that's what it's used for. So you can find these at Walmart, Target, Beauty Supply. This is like the holy grail if you are in lace front world. Holy grail. So go ahead and get these. They're like $4 a piece. So let me jump right into, you know, the differences between each one. I'm gonna start with this one because this is the one that I started with, and as you can see, it's been through it. So this one I really like it because it has a stronger hold, but when it dries it gets white, so it's kind of like, but you know it's on there. You know it's on there if you got this one. I like this one. But at the same time, this one does the same exact thing as this one. It's just like if I went somewhere and started sweating, you could kind of feel it slipping a little bit. But it dries clear. So that's like, I don't know, it's like, oh my God. So what I've been doing lately, and if you, let me know if you guys want me to show you how I did, you know, how I do my lace now. I use both. And so what I do is, I put this one like all over my hairline, and then I go ahead and put this one on to access like the, you know, when you put it right above your hairline, so that it has the hold of this one and it has the drying clearness drying of this one, if you get what I'm saying. So I can't choose which one is better to me because they both do the same thing. They both buy the same brand, they're both the same price. Like excuse my broke nails, I don't know why my pinky nails both came off. But they both do the same thing. And so, I mean, you can't go wrong with either one of these. They're both good. They're both good. But I recommend this one for beginners because like I said, when I first started using this one, like, I went through so many YouTube tutorials. And I'm just like, why? How come my shit is like, how come my hair is like, it's dry and white? But you learn. It's really a learning experience with this one.
Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on?
I wish I